Hey there, just thought I'd give you a tour of the garden this year. We bought a bonsai tree, and as you can see, the table needs to be sanded again. But, okay, so we're starting here with one fountain, the lion fountain. Cats like to drink out of that. You'll see a little bench in the background through the trees. Nobody sits there, just kind of useless space. All my ferns, this fern is doing awesome this year. The banana trees didn't make it through the winter, but this is what's left of these guys. They were about 9 feet tall last year, which is really disappointing to see them go. This fountain is new from last year. This banana tree is doing awesome. Mimi hates the word awesome, but I use it because I know she doesn't like it. Anyway, so moving on, we've got the irrigation system starts every morning automatically. I've got it split into two halves on a timer, and I've actually got garden lights, these garden lights running around the whole perimeter of the garden, and they're timed to go on at 11 o'clock at night, or no, they go on at 7 o'clock at night and turn off at 11:30. So moving on, more green. The reason I've got so much green here is we're in the shade, which is great in the summer because it gets really hot and it's always cool back here. So moving on here, you'll see that in the back there I've got a lounge chair, and it's really very very quiet back there, so reading a book or just hanging out. GoPro capture